Hello everybody and welcome to another YogsCart update video. Haven't done one of these in a while, perhaps a month or maybe more, I don't know. Anyway, so I thought I would let you know what's going on in the world of YogsCart. Now, I can't remember if I've actually shown you guys this before. I don't think I have, maybe I have. So this is the new sort of opening thing for the YogsCart Alpha, which obviously is, if you see my Twitter, is going to be coming summer 2014. Anyway, so I press start, because basically it's detected I'm using an Xbox controller. So this little start thing after the press start thing, otherwise you just press enter and you'd be on the keyboard and mouse layout. So yeah, so we have all of these buttons here. Now in this particular build, multiplayer hasn't been sorted out yet, as it's sort of outdated now, and I can't even play multiplayer anymore because it's all outdated. So that'll hopefully be back in a couple of weeks' time, and I might see if I can get out to you guys, so we can test some stuff, because I feel that we need to test the 24 carts definitely, just to double check it works. Otherwise we'll release the alpha and be like, oh hang on, people are trying to play big tournaments, that's not going to happen because they can't play more than 10 or something. I think we've tested before and we can get more than 8 confirmed, but we haven't tested any more than that, because otherwise we have to test like multiple things on people's computers and that just slows things down, and then it doesn't give us a exact result. So as far as I know, the testing may happen soon, but I will find out when, and I will let you guys know so we can get a lot of you guys signed up and ready to test on a giant server or something. But yes, so like a stress test, why not? Anyway, so new things have been added. Single player, finally. A lot of you are going to be very happy about this, because I know a lot of you have been asking me, please can you add single player, I can't play with my friend, blah blah blah. No one wants to play and I have to load up 2 things to be able to play it, but my computer's not fast enough. Well, no longer will you have to do that now. I'm going to definitely see if I can get this out to you guys, because I really feel like people who want to play the game haven't really had a chance because they haven't been able to play single player. So I'll see if I can get it confirmed, and I will get this probably out to you guys. One thing it'll only be time trials, because everything else isn't really set up yet, so all these other buttons will probably be removed and you'll only have the try and trial button, but at least it's something for those of you who haven't had a proper experience of the game just yet, and you'll probably be able to play the new car system. So yeah, I will find that out, and maybe that'll be in the next week or 2, and you guys will be able to play that. Anyway, so if I go onto the Grand Prix thing, there is an AI system. I'll put a clip of Robo's stream up now. He's been very busy with a lot of stuff. I've not been so busy, to be honest, because I did a Lumen Dare, I had some mock exams, and I just kind of lost interest for like a week or 2. I'm going to admit that. So yeah, I'm kind of all back now and working on some new things, starting to work on the Moon Quest map and also Shin's farm. So that'll be quite fun to do, because I've already got some of the models for each of them, so get them done relatively quickly. But yes, so yeah, let's go to the time trials, because that's basically the main thing we've got ready now, and it's basically the one single player thing that's working. I think the Grand Prix thing will be done maybe by next week, perhaps. I don't know, but I feel like maybe we want to get a single player update out, so it'll be like the YogsCart early alpha or closed alpha or something. We might do a closed alpha, and we'll get it out to a selected choice of people, which will probably be quite a lot of you, because currently I don't feel like there's a huge amount of people that have played the game. It might be about 50, maybe to 100 of you, and I feel like for a closed alpha that's normally the kind of amount that people do, so we might just give out 50 to 100 codes, and all those people can play the game, and I don't know, we'll have a look into it, and we'll see what we can do, and stuff like that. But yes, also in other news, Beard Botnik has been working on Lewis's character model, looking at the Twitter, so I hope that'll be within the next maybe week to 3 weeks or so, depending on how busy Beard Botnik is. But yes, so let's go on to Yoshi's Circuit. Now, the reason why it's Yoshi's Circuit is, yes, it is the map from the Mario game. I don't know which Mario game it is, I keep forgetting. Mario Kart. Oh god, I've forgotten. I think it's on a GameCube or something, or the Nintendo 64 or something, I can't remember. But yeah, so obviously, yeah, you've seen these track previews things, they're all basically just another version of the track selection. With the track previews, have a little image of the track. I think the Miska is going to be working on that, possibly. Just need to get some screenshots of maps and stuff, and then hopefully he can do some awesome work with that. But yes, so yeah, my best time is 01:56.73 with 1 crash and 2 like fault things where I go on the grass a bit, but I'll show you that now. So let's select Simon, because it's the only kind of car available. first thing you're going to notice off with this new cart script, no longer do you roll forward when you're just beginning. So here we go. Basically I had a few problems a minute ago when I was trying to record this, where the camera would be a little bit glitchy. One thing I do, if you ever do want to record the game, make sure you export the game. And I don't know, I haven't tested any of the resolutions. It seems to be working in if you play it in a resolution of 720p and non-full screen. I'm sure it says, I'm not sure if it's, yeah, basically this is what I was talking about. It's doing this glitch here. Hopefully this will go in a minute. But there we go. It just seems to be a weird glitch when recording the game. Otherwise the game actually just runs smooth. So we'll definitely we'll fix that, because we're gonna know that people are gonna want to record this. And if the YogsCarts were able to play it, I'm sure they would definitely would record it if they did some kind of tournament thing, which I would love to see one day. But we'll get to the game to that kind of stage so they can do that. But yeah. Yeah, we'll fix this camera glitch. It's only when you're recording. I think it's just an FPS thing. It might work on better graphic systems. I don't know exactly what's going on here, but I'm sure we'll find out what. It might just be a Unity bug, or it's actually just CPU usage. I don't know quite yet, but we'll target it down and we'll destroy whatever is causing this lag. Well, it's not necessarily lag, is it? It's kind of a I don't know. It just makes it a bit glitchy. There's no real reason for it to be happening, to be honest. It used to happen with non-recording, but now it's obviously a bit smoother. So perhaps Robo knows what it is. I used to think it was the camera follows the cart basically and updates every single second, every single frame. So I have a funny feeling it might be something to do with that, and it's just getting slightly delayed and it's just getting a little bit confused. But I don't know. We'll look into it. But yes, so this is the new cart system. It's much better than I think the one we had. Basically, yeah, your corners. I really do kind of. We'll fix this. We'll fix this camera thing. Yeah. So just try and ignore it. If you are prone to sort of, I suppose it might trigger epilepsy, just listen to the audio of this now. So yeah. This new car system is much better than I think the car system we had, because you can go around corners really smooth. I think if you hit barricades, I'm not going to test it now because I want to beat my old time. Yeah, if you run into barricades, it's a little bit easier to get off of them now. You don't sort of get stuck and sort of pings you around a bit or something. Oh, there you go, went up on the grass. Yeah, if you go on grass now, you do slow down. If you've seen when we've done the live streams before where Robo sent me versions of this, you will notice the turning is a lot better than the original version that we had of this. The first build of the new cart script, the turning is much better. I'm not sure what he's actually changed to do this. It might be something to do with obviously turning, but it is definitely much better than the original version. And I think it is. It says it auto drifts, but I haven't been able to kind of test out yet. It says it's when you turn. Oh yeah, I think I saw that. It sort of rotates the car a little bit. Whoa! Yeah, you can also sort of go down slopes a little bit, and you sort of gain speed when going around corners a little bit as well. It's actually pretty good. But I think in a way that is pretty much it for this update. What else is there that I've missed? I don't know. Some more tracks coming soon, more characters, more carts, and I think that is it. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, contact the community managers in the description below on Twitter, email, whatever, and if possible, we'll get some. Oh yeah, this is basically the example of the AI that will happen after you sort of finish the game. The AI will take over. There we go. The camera sort of fixed a bit there. The AI will take over, and hopefully the AI won't crash. Because I think that's the only thing that needs to be fixed at the moment. The AI sort of crashes a little bit into walls and kind of gets a bit stuck. Oh no, that's good. Let's just watch this AI a little bit. I know the camera's very glitchy, but I don't know what's going on. It looks like the camera's actually double A. I could see an image underneath that. That might be one thing to note. If anyone knows what that might be, let us know. But I think it might be a camera being created somehow. That's very odd. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and if possible, beat my time. There you go. It crashed a little bit there, but I think that's all been fixed now, actually, from yesterday's stream. But anyway, beat my time of 1 minute 45 seconds if you get a chance to, if we manage to get a single player build out to you. And thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in another update next week. Bye!